Good morning, everybody. So here we have our vacuum hold down plate, available soon. And this will give a lot of flexibility for hold down on any flat, non-porous surface. And it's super strong, really, really strong. Stronger than the mag switches that we have. Here's our mag switch base. This is also a great solution and it's plenty strong enough. But vacuum holding is another great solution. So if we turn the pump off here. And there we have it. Back on. Instant. Super strong. Check us out, guys. VAD Concepts on Etsy.